I put that on Facebook. I put that one on Facebook. Not that one. And I put that bike on Facebook. And they put that one on. And to get that off, nah. And I put them all on as 65 quid altogether. Then I did it was 25 quid each. 25 quid each or 65 quid for what? But I don't know what this needed. But wait, gone. Yeah. That one. It wouldn't be. There's something wrong with that. I can't remember what it was. And then that one's in parts. But nobody don't take it. I just take the wheels off. I take what I can take off it, what I probably need, and get rid of the rest on it. Yeah, just been doing a good sort out. Collected 2 bikes. So yeah. Yeah. It's been sorting out a bit. Technically I got a bit wet, but yeah. Just only just fix that fence back up. And you get a piece of wood. Not that piece of wood out. Take that off. Yeah. So I think I got one somewhere. 1,000 subscribers. See that sign? All it needs there. Yeah. Look inside that bin. Shut the door. Ooh. Right here. It's going to be slightly a bit bigger. No. I just probably put temporarily. Alright, I'll measure it up, and it's just under there anyway. So I just need to cut it. You guys, yeah, need to buy there. Sulphide pallets. So yeah, I could have asked for more money, but I just started doing it as £1 a pallet. Or if I go out further, more money. Yeah, both of my bike trailers. There's got airs in these tyres. Yeah. Yeah. Look at some air in those tyres. D-watches. Yeah. And then I've got my other GT outside. I got that right to that's still in there. Got that tailor still in there. So yeah. Cheers guys for watching. If you guys want to see anything, please let me know in comments. If you'd like to see me how I do this, blah blah blah. Even if I did it, I'll do it again. Right guys. Bye bye for now. just collected 2 fans and this pole. So it looks like a good decent fan. Just gonna take it apart. I do it on a video. Yeah, and that's when I went to it with that and that. Yeah, after dropping off 5 pallets, got 2 left here, and that one's a bit wet. That one's alright. But the bloke who bought him off me, I'm gonna ask him next time. So does he want anything like that? Does he want any pallets? I took some blocks off him the other day. Yeah, and does he want any? Just on a big sort out this morning. I put that right. Yeah, what they do? Paint that up. Paint that one up. I'm gonna see if any of them is still good or not. Then what's not good. See if I can cut them all up. I want to know what that could be good for. Don't know if it's any good to anyone. Made in Australia. That's what I want every day. In that table. And I'll tell you what, I got it in that trolley in a minute. Let's just take that way. I'll get rid of that. So technically, yeah, that's it. Well, I can put my plastic tea in something. I've always bought that whilst all that. I got this load here. Tins, like dog bowls, yeah, plastic tubs. I've got bits in it. And some in these, then. Yeah. Pottery. Yeah. It's all over the place, really. I'll take that apart. That table. 2 sewing machines, because I've got one there, one here. Yeah. An old fan, that's a fan. Then I bought a piece of carpet. I had a carpet and all. Yeah. So I'm going to give the customer £5 for this lot. Yeah. Toaster. Yeah. I'll see you all when I get it out. Just move these that way. Just shut that down. Flatbed. I don't know if that's any good to anyone. Yes, this is Santa Claus. You get put back. We don't need it. Copper wire. So I got no Christmas stuff in there. It'll be in that tip front. Me and you. I'll take that apart, see what's inside that. Go through electrical device. Put it all like that. Something must fit in that. Put that in instead. course, I've got one there. I've actually got one in there anyway, a bigger version of it. A bigger version of it. Tin. Tin. Oh. Well, that's nice, isn't it? Get them in there. Pans. Iron. I'll short that in my head. I'll short that instead. Yes, it does. A bit of pot here. So that's it said. Tin. Bit of evil. Oh, look at that. No, it's gonna be one of them, isn't it? Shut that big hill down there. Tin. Yes, I am a noisy bugger. Toaster. Got the cable off of that. I'll keep that clean, so I can do it. Where's it said? Take a tea handle. But guess what? Next boot. I'm a noisy bugger. Put that in there. That's what I can write to it. Well, that's it said, has it? Anybody knows what this is, let me know. I'll keep it for a bit. Aluminium. I'll keep that instead. Anybody wants it? That's it. That's aluminium. They both might come in handy for something. Whoa. Oh, I know what I should have done. Took a photo on it. Sorry guys, I'll soon load it back up again anyway. I'll do it that way. It might not all been there, but it's not a photo anyway, it probably might like say you're on it. What I'll do, I'll take a photo on it like that. But after. What we're gonna do? Yeah, and take a photo of that and all. Anybody want it? I'll take a photo of that before hotels. Close that. Found 2 sewing machines. Alright, there that was. Shut that down, Charlie. Have a look at these sewing machines. I'll probably get something to buy them off me. That one. Some extra bits there. Not get the wood of it. And the air got some weight to it. Don't matter if it costs the Christmas stuff, because if it's damaged I'll get rid of it. My fault for doing it. I'll take a photo on them one day when I'm not doing it. Oh, look at that cup. Look at that cup. Hey, something's that. Thank you guys for watching. See you all soon. I go taking that one apart. I've always said he's going to take that one apart, but apparently he's doing that for a favour for someone. But we keep this one. I thought. I did this for a friend. Well, I helped him out and that with my tools and that. It was a bad morning and my tools weren't near enough everywhere. But you see, I smack it where I'm in that. This was the aluminium, all the stuff like the key, piping and that, motor. See, that was one motor. A bit of that, got in that. And took that motor off. Little bits there. Bit of gas. Bit of aluminium. Then that come out on it. That and that. And the one I had, a bit of the brass is there. Screws and that one took off. And my bit went in here. Well, I took off my ball, but I took all on it off. Yeah. And some bits went there. So not bad really. Well, that boiler what my brother had, because he'd done it for another scrap man, he'll be getting paid for shipping it. And since he used my tools, and I thought, yeah, I want pocket money out on it. So that, I put it on Facebook. Any scrappers want out with boilers. It's happened. Sometimes people get me and my brother mixed up. Sometimes with names. Right guys, that's yourselves up.